Day. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out. It's about 80 degrees. It feels good. Just wanted to check in, chime in with you guys. Hope everybody is doing well. Don't be complaining. Just do what you got to do. Life is good. We're not saying life can't be bad, but life is good. And so another thing too. Oh, this light is out. So I got to pay attention. It's my turn. It's my turn. Let me go. Okay. Anyways. Check out my other channel, Simply Black Vegan. I did an upload, and yeah. So I just wanted to kick off this part of the video with saying, oh, welcome back to my real life vlogs. Isn't this Domestic Violence Month or something like that? Let me give y'all a little message. Let me give y'all some insight. Let me turn here. Guess what? Oh gosh, something done happened down the road there. Look y'all, it's always something happening. Look, I don't know if y'all can see all those cops down there. I gotta make another turn. But anyway, keep your damn hands to yourself, okay? If you're arguing with your man, your woman, just walk away. Or if you find yourself having to always argue with them, you're not in a good, healthy relationship. Somebody near where I live, I don't know them, but somebody just lost their life. A 22-year-old girl, she got shot in the chest by a boy, her boyfriend. He was a demon. What kind of man shoots a girl in her chest? And the roles are reversed. What kind of girl will keep hitting on a man knowing that you can't be doing that? So my advice to anybody, keep your hands to yourself. You don't have to worry about you don't have to worry about anything if you just keep your hands to yourself. So that is my message on domestic violence. Okay? I'll see y'all in the next part of the vloggy vlog. That's why it's good to have dark tint, because can't nobody see you make a fool out of yourself. Can't nobody see you doing your car karaoke. Okay. Questions that I ask every time I wake up. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with. Y'all ever seen anything like this? Look at that. That's cool, ain't it? Too cool. Happiest day, vloggy vlog. It's your girl Sonia. I'm back with another part of a vlog. Anyway, what are we doing today? We're doing a lot of stuff. So y'all, I did decide to spray paint this candle. Y'all remember to sit on the table? It's almost dry. It looks like that because it's not all the way dry, but those are some things I've been working on. Also, I also spray painted the top of this. Y'all remember I cleaned it out really good. This is actually for laundry detergent. So I'm gonna take the tag off this and put it on here and then set that up there. So that's what I will be doing. And I'm still trying to decide if I want to keep that plaque, y'all. I'm just trying to do less things around here. So I don't know, we'll see. Let me go ahead and put this candle on this table real quick. It should really dry more now because it's on a cooler surface. I didn't put it on the stove. I put it on the induction cooktop in one of my pots. I'm gonna have to find another way because I don't wanna be using my good pots, you know, like for wax stuff. So I like that, y'all. It goes with my aesthetics. So yeah, today has been a good day so far, y'all. Early this morning, I got up early this morning. I'm gonna throw it in the video. I had to get that grass cut. Trying to do that. It's almost 5:30 in the evening, and I'm gonna take me a shower because I have I don't know, work was a little bit much, so I'm gonna freshen myself up, and then I may go back out for a little while. But I just wanted to chime in on today. It's a beautiful, beautiful day, y'all. It has been amusing and amazing start from early this morning. Okay, hope everybody is doing well. This is like my third time using this, but I can't wait to use it again on my body again because it's a good polisher. It's a good polisher. And I know many of you might be like, oh my God, but you make your own stuff. I do, y'all, but when you run across a deal like that, oh, why not, right? So I'm just massaging my face a little bit. Okay. So let's get ready to rinse this off. I mentioned to y'all, cold water is the key. Cold water is the key. Maybe I'm gonna just bring y'all down a little bit. Hopefully y'all can see me. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna freshen myself up. I've been outside like all day, y'all, at work. Ooh. Mostly all day. And when you be outside all day like that, and you come home, you are trying to get freshened up. And that is exactly what I'm gonna do with y'all. So y'all know she don't do a whole lot as far as her face, just blotch it a little bit. So while I blotched it, I'm gonna go ahead and add, ooh, wait a minute, y'all. I almost lost you. I'm gonna add jojoba oil to my face, just a little bit, since we got the other oil. And I did keep my stuff over here, y'all. And then I'm gonna add the Dime Hydro Glow. I can honestly say, I can tell the difference in this stuff. You know, I take my collagen. Oh my God, by the way, hold on, y'all, I gotta go get something. Y'all, I forgot I just made this. This is my matcha and honey. This is so refreshing. Especially cold. Ooh, glad it got on there, not on my on my nice robe there. But matcha, this is matcha and honey and a little bit of squeezed lemon. This is so good. Put it on chill. So good. So we put on Hydro Glow. We put on the jojoba. Oh, my castor oil, I forgot. I put that on my eyebrows. Everything is natural. So we got some natural skincare going on. So I honestly do this twice a day. Twice a day. I think that's what makes it look really, really great. And then at night before I go to bed, I will wash my face, but I will add this. I won't add any oil until the next morning because I already did it, you know, twice a day. So, yeah, guys, that's it. That's it. From the side, can y'all see me? That's it. So let me go ahead and take me a shower, get dressed, and we'll go ahead on with the vloggy vlog. Okay? All right, sips to that. All right, y'all, we are fresh out the shower. I will show y'all outfit of the evening in a second. Let's get ready to wipe this console down real quick. Let's do that real quick. Got some glass cleaner. Get it all cleaned up. Uh-oh, I just noticed a little bitty scratch. In my little piece. I don't know if y'all can see it, like right there, right here. Can y'all see that right there? It's a little bitty scratch. But anyway, let's get to decorating. I'm gonna grab a couple of whatnots out of here. Y'all see what I'm gonna do. We're gonna grab this, and I'm trying to decide which one of these books should I put out there. Do I want to put this out in the hallway? Okay, let's do that. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put this over here. That's cool. And then we can leave this one blank because the whole idea is I want to have like I want this whole space to be clean over here. So I need to go grab a candle and let's get to decorating. Which one do I want to grab? Is this the one? This is I can't even see it, y'all. I think it's the saddlewood. Let's see. Yeah, that's the one I want. Okay, we good now. All right, y'all let me know. If this doesn't work, if y'all don't think it looks right, let me know. I'm open to constructive criticism. I love this vase. I love the fact that it's open and airy to me. I don't think I'm gonna put any leaves or anything in there. We're gonna take our top off of this book. Y'all know I usually store them inside the book, but I think this time I'm just gonna put them together, all the book ones. All the books that I have, I'll put all the things together. Let's put this here. Oh my gosh, it does fit. All right, so I either can put the candle like that. Let me take this out. Smells so freaking amazing. Just like this. I think it looks so good. Let me know, y'all, what y'all think. This is enough to me. Enough. Remind you, I'm gonna get like a little marble tray or something from the Goodwill. Put on there to hold that, because I can even move it, set it here. But that's gonna look good when I add my greenery. So let me know what y'all think. There we go. Not too much. Goes with the decor up there. Not overdoing it. Yes. Outfit of the day. Yes, ma'am. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one. And please drop down in the comments and let me know, should I reverse the style, keep it like it is, add flowers to add some type of flowery, some kind of something to the vase, or leave it as is. Me personally, I like it as is. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for me. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you all for hanging out with me for another lovely day. Until next time, love yourself so you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye.